The next type, that is last type of the connective tissue, is the fluid connective tissue. As the name says, in this the matrix is present in the form of the fluid. Now blood and lymph, they form fluid connective tissue. So blood and the lymph, they form the fluid connective tissue. This fluid connective tissue, it consists of the cells and the matrix. What it has? It has cells plus matrix, right? Matrix is in the form of the fluid, so it has cell and matrix, but it do not have fibers, so it is without fibers. Without fibers, this is the main thing. So cell plus matrix is there, but in the matrix no fibers are there. Matrix in them is present in the form of the fluid, and that matrix is also known as the plasma. Now what is the main function of fluid connective tissue? It helps to transport the material from one place to another place within our body. It is why it is known as the fluid connective tissue. This question is many times it is asked. So fluid connective tissue, it connects the different parts of our body. Now it is of two types. First is the blood and second is the lymph. Now you know that blood, it is red in color. Why it is red in color? Due to the presence of the hemoglobin, a pigment which is present in the blood. That is why blood is red color tissue, right students? Now it consists of plasma and the cell. What is the composition of the blood? So if we see the composition of blood, the blood is having plasma, that is the liquid part, and the cells. Now these cells are again of three types. You all know RBC, WBCs and the platelets. These are the three types of the cells which are present in the blood. So blood consists of plasma and the cells, RBC, WBC and the platelets. These cells, they form 45% part, and the plasma, it forms 55% of the blood by volume, right? Now these RBC, we know they are the red in color. Their function is they help to transport the oxygen into different cells of our body. WBCs, they are the soldiers of our body. They provide the defense mechanism to our body, and the platelets, they help in the clotting of the blood, right students? Now the volume of the blood which is present in the human beings, now means how many, what is the amount of the blood which is present in normal person? So it is 6 liter of the blood is present. Now what are the different functions of the blood? We all know blood help in transportation of the food. It transport the oxygen and carbon dioxide. It transport different excretory products to the kidney, from where they get eliminated, means वहाँ से उनको बाहर. तो कौन ऐसा करता है? Who did? So this work is done by the blood. Blood also regulates our body temperature. You all know that we have a constant body temperature. So that constant body temperature is maintained by the blood. Then blood also protects the body from the disease, and blood helps in the clotting. So that's all about the functions of the blood, and this is the composition of the blood. Now coming to the last part, that is the lymph. It is also another type of the fluid connective tissue. It also have the plasma, but it have the plasma, but it only have the cells, that is WBC. It do not have the RBCs and platelets. इसमें RBC भी नहीं होती है और platelets भी नहीं होती है. इसमें जो cells present होती हैं उनमें सिर्फ WBCs present होती हैं. That is why the color of lymph, it is not red, because it do not have RBC, so it do not have the hemoglobin. So that is why its color is pale. Lymph is like pale yellow color due to the absence of the RBCs. Now what is the function? So it mainly help in the exchange of the material between body fluid, that is tissue fluids, and the blood. So its main function is to help in the exchange of material between blood and tissue fluid. In detail about this blood and lymph you will study in class 10th. Okay students, so in 9th only this much is required which I have explained to you. Thank you.